Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the bracelet link adjacent to the broken pin. Position the band with holes facing down and make sure you know which way the pin will exit. Using a push-pin tool or a 1 mm punch, press steadily into the release hole until the pin's shoulder appears. Once the pin moves, pull it out with flat-nose pliers. This prevents twisting and damaging link collars. This step gives you clear access to swap in the replacement pin correctly. After removing the old pin, verify the replacement matches diameter and length. A slight mismatch causes looseness or stress. Insert the new pin straight into the link hole, aligning the shoulders so it slides smoothly. If it resists, back out and realign. Once aligned, place the band on the support block and tap the pin gently with a small hammer until it is nearly flush. Make sure to feel the resistance change, because that confirms the pin has seated into the collar. Finish by checking that the pin sits flush and the link moves with even tension. Gently wiggle the link. If there is any play, the pin may be too short or the hole worn, swap to the next size or replace the collar. If movement is stiff, remove the pin and file away microscopic burrs, then reseat it. One troubleshooting tip: if the head won't seat, don't force it. Reverse and reseat to avoid breaking the replacement pin or deforming the link.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.